If you're in the mood for a flavorful and satisfying meal, this easy pepper steak recipe is perfect for you. In just a few simple steps, you can make a delicious stir-fry beef with bell peppers that will leave your taste buds tingling. Let's get started. Begin by slicing your beef into thin strips and seasoning with salt and pepper. Set the beef aside and prepare your vegetables. Slice your bell peppers into thin strips and set them aside. Heat up a wok or a large skillet with some oil and add minced garlic and ginger. Stir for a few seconds until fragrant. Add your seasoned beef strips to the wok and cook until browned and no longer pink. Next, add your sliced bell peppers to the wok and stir-fry for a few minutes until tender crisp. To finish off your easy pepper steak recipe, add your sauce mixture to the wok, stirring until the sauce thickens and coats the beef and bell peppers. And there you have it, an easy pepper steak recipe that's perfect for a quick and delicious meal. Serve your stir-fry beef with bell peppers over a bed of rice, and enjoy the flavors of this classic dish.